Hello back everyone. Throughout this session we're gonna discuss about JavaScript data type conversion. What is happening if you try to add string to integer? What will happen throughout these cases? So first of all, I have to define a variable and let have x equal 5 and another one called by, and that one just have a letter. Perfect. Okay, so look at that. If we try to say let z equal x plus y, what will be the value from that? To know the value of that, we need to print it out. So I will say console.log, and here is that, please print out z value. So look at that, he print out 5a. That means JavaScript doesn't care if you are adding two numbers or adding a number and a string. Here is it, he is dealing with number 5 as just a number or as a character. So he put 5 in front of a. What about if we did vice versa? Look at that, y plus x. In that case, look at that, it became a5. Perfect. That means he are dealing right now with just two characters. He just put, 5 in front of a or vice versa. Alright, that's cool. But what about if we try to add two strings to each other? So I will replace this 5 with just hello, and a later it will be world. So look at that, world. Okay, and I will say x plus y like that, and look at the print out. Wow, look at that, it's hello world. So this kind of concatenation, he concatenate the first string with the other string. Man, this is the powerful of JavaScript. So if you are dealing with a string with a number, he don't care about it. He just, give you a value out of that. And we can, sum up that as long as you are dealing with a string with any other values, if just another string or another number, string will win. So he will deal with other data type as well, they are strings, like we just saw with number 5. Thank you for watching and see you in next session.